Hello friends. Today I am going to talk about career planning tool that Leadershala is offering to the students and working professionals. Just as you buy a mobile phone, you would first look at the Google reviews, right? Similarly, it is important to know what credibility career planning tool brings to the table. Friends, career planning tool is a licensed product of Myers-Briggs. Now, see, Myers-Briggs is a familiar name. It's a company that is based out of US that has pioneered and it has been one of the best when it comes to conducting psychometric tests globally. To top it up, you would be happy to know that Myers-Briggs products are being used by Fortune 500 organizations for upskilling their employees. And most importantly, this tool itself has been in the market for more than 90 years. 90. The first time it was launched was way back in 1927. Now, understand it from a perspective that in an era where companies are finding it very struggling to survive even 20 years, we all of course have a recent example of Yes Bank, and now you are talking about a tool that's in existence for more than 90 years. That certainly talks about the credibility, where thousands and lakhs of people have used it, benefited from it in European and US markets. Now friends, after establishing the credibility, it is now important to understand the utility that this tool brings, right? Now, see, as we understand, everyone keeps talking about following your passion. But I am sure you would appreciate that understanding where my passion lies isn't the easiest thing to do. Unless you have diversified interest areas like, someone wants to become a pilot or make a career in music or sports, then it becomes easier to know the path. You know what exactly do you need to do. But with most of the people who are studying will have this greater confusion, as you will have different fields to choose from. It would become difficult for them to choose a career in quality, HR, finance, strategy, operation, IT, etc. These days, as you know, if you are even looking to do BTech, you will find different specializations, and then it won't be easy for us to find out the right one for us. Correct? As a result, unfortunately, with most of us, we spend a lot of time, efforts and money pursuing something that we later realize was not made for me. We often choose higher studies based on the advice of senior people, or going with what our friends are doing, or just doing what my girlfriend or boyfriend may be doing. Now frankly, even if we take advice from senior people, maybe career counselors, I am sure you would appreciate that even if someone is to advise you, suggest you something, but unfortunately, unconsciously, this person is also going to bring a lot of biases into that discussion. So for instance, if you happen to ask me something, even though I want to remain unbiased, but I would still get a lot of biases in that discussion based on my experiences of life, right? Hence, this career planning tool is going to help all of these individuals in finding where their core interest areas are, where their passion lies in, and mapping it with the higher studies that this person should go for. And finally, helping with the kind of occupation that this person ideally land up in. So the journey doesn't just stop around studies, but it takes to the level of occupation as well. Friends, isn't that awesome? As through this way, we are going to get an answer to one of the most difficult questions of life, as to what should I do? Now, operationally speaking, the person who is opting to take up the career planning tool will have to undergo an online evaluation that takes about 30 to 40 minutes. On the basis of this evaluation, a report will be generated by Myers-Briggs, and this will be sent to Leadershala for us to then have an hour-long counseling session discussing about the report, exploring further with the individual about his or her thoughts, and finally helping him or her take the right path. This is in its entirety as to what career planning tool is and how it could possibly benefit you. So if you are somebody who is in, say, standard 10th, having a little bit of confusion around what stream to choose, if you are in standard 12th, 11th, thinking about what sort of courses do I pursue in higher studies, maybe if you are in graduation, maybe pursuing BBA, BCom or BTech, but still not sure about how the career is going to unleash for you. And finally, even if you are a working professional, not happy, not content, unsure as to whether you have chosen the right path, then this tool is absolutely for you. For more information about the tool itself, or if you wish to speak to us in any respect, please contact us through email. You may write your message to connect@leadershala.com. Remember, Leadershala has a couple of A's as part of Shala. Please find this in comments or caption section as well, so there's no confusion. I will certainly look forward to helping you as much as possible. This is Trigun Sharma signing off for now. Until next time, thank you so much for listening to me.